darling.
Hello, I'm home.
How was your day? Are you good?
Yeah, it was a long day. I'm tired. Fetch me my drink.
I'll get it. Sit down, sit down. I made it extra strong.
Thank you.
Tired, darling?
Yes, very.
It's a shame. You have to work for so long. You must be tired all the time. Shall I get you slippers?
No.
Okay. Shall I get some dinner?
No, I'm not hungry. I'm too tired.
But darling, you must eat.
But I don't want to.
Oh, okay.
Darling, sit down. Come on, sit. I have something to tell you. I hope this doesn't come to a shock for you.
Darling, what is it?
I've been seeing another woman. Her name is Barb. I hope you don't blame me too much for this.
I'll go get the meat. Gotta get that meat. Hello, Sam. I want some carrots. Hello, Sam. I want some carrots. Hello, Sam. I want some carrots. Hello, Sam. Can I have some carrots?
Yep.
Here's your money. Get those spices. Make it nice. "911, I think my husband's dead. Come now." "I think my husband's dead. Come quick."
Miss Malone, please sit down. What happened?
Well, I came home and I saw my husband dead on the floor. I don't know what happened. There's stuff on the floor everywhere. I don't know. The meat smells good.
It was in the oven.
No. Please, can you eat the meat that I made? It'll help me. I don't want to lose here when my husband died.